Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we are going to discuss about hyperbolic geometry. Yeah, hyperbolic geometry is a non-Euclidean geometry where the fifth postulate is failed. So, without wasting time, let's just discuss what does it mean by an upper half plane model. So we are going to discuss the points. What do we really mean points? The notion of points in an upper half plane, and the notion of lines. And we're also going to discuss about the notion of parallel lines. And we're also going to discuss about the notion of angle measures in upper half planes. So now, what do we mean points in an upper half plane? A point, we mean a set of point P, which is an ordered pair, consists of x and y, such that y is bigger than 0. That is what we call a point in an upper half plane. So when you think about lines in an upper half plane, we have two types of line in an upper half planes. So the first one is a set consists of xy coming from P, such that x is equal to a constant a. This is what we call a vertical line. Or we have a form of a set which is in the form of x comma y, which is an element of P, such that x minus c squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. This is for some point. So this is what we call now a semicircle. Semicircle which is centered at the what? At the real axis of a complex plane. So we are talking about now parallel lines in an upper half planes. What do we mean by a parallel line? We mean a line if they touch exactly at one point along the x-axis. Meaning, for example, maybe I can explain this in a later discussion, where we are also going to show some visualization of an upper half plane. Thank you for listening to my beautiful presentation. See you next time. This was my first episode of hyperbolic geometry. See you next time, guys.